Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo teman-teman semua. Jadi sekarang aku mau tutorial membungkus kado. Oke, udah. Ini kertas kadonya, terus masukin kadonya ke sini. Terus dilem kayak gini. Sesuaikan sama bentuk kado. Lebih tepatnya ukuran kado, karena bentuknya itu kita mau bikin rumbai-rumbai.
Memories follow me left and right. I can feel you over here, I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now? Ever since the day you went away, no, I don't know how to erase your body from out my brain. What you gonna do now? Maybe I should just focus on me instead. All I think about are the nights we were tangled up in your bed. Oh no. Since the day you went away, so tell me how much more do I gotta drink for the pain? What you gonna do now? You did things to me that I just can't forget. I think about all the nights we were tangled up in your bed. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. You're going round in circles, got you stuck up in my head. Yeah, memories follow me. Every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now? Did you know you're the one that got away? And even though, baby, I'm still not okay. Did you know that my dreams, they're all the same?
Alhamdulillah jadi guys. Tapi aku nggak tahu kenapa yang kedua malah jadi beda ya. Segitu dulu video hari ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.